Hey guys, I'm Adam and today we're going to install a UV Air Purifier. So we have three components. We have our UV ballast, our bulb, and our mounting bracket. So we're going to take our ballast and we're going to put double-sided tape on the back to hold it in place once it's all in the unit. I'm going to come from the side and install it through our access panel. So I will take my red wire and my black wire and I will feed it up the hole in our electrical panel at the bottom. And once we got our wires fed up through there, we can leave them for now. We'll take our ballast and we can just drop that in there. Right now we're going to concentrate on feeding our ballast wire to our bulb. So I'll take it and I'll run it under the compressor frame, under all the other wires. So our plug is going to exit into our blower section of the unit. On the bottom right, there is a little hole manufactured for this specifically. Here is our hole. So we'll start feeding. Now we'll grab our bulb and we'll attach it to our frame. It attaches by a magnet. So we have our bulb and our bracket. So we'll take the wire and we'll feed it through that hole and secure it to our bracket with our little black nuts that came with our kit. So our bulb is secure, it's not going anywhere. And now we have to bend our bracket to a 90. And our bulb just attaches with a magnet and will sit like this. You could have it that way. It can sit anywhere. That's how we normally do it when we're building these, but ultimately it doesn't matter. We're mounting it. So it's two little lines on these wires, match them up, plug them in. We can take all our excess cord and feed it back through and hide it on this side. We have spinning components. We don't need it getting caught up in there. So we have all our wire and now we will connect our red and our black wire before we mount our ballast. So to get into our electrical panel, we have 4 small Phillips screws. We'll pop this section out. Here's the wires we fed through. And you can see we need to hook up to our VU. That's where we're going to. So we want our black to go to our green U. And we'll secure it with our service screwdriver or a small flathead. And our red one goes to V. So both of our wires are secured and we can just kind of push them in there all neat. We can put our panel back with our small Phillips. And now we'll focus on mounting our ballast with some double-sided tape. And I like to just mount it right behind our electrical panel, out of the way of the other wires, and that's where it'll live. If you don't have double-sided tape, you could put a self-tapping screw in, maybe one to just hold it in, but the tape works great. Essentially, that's all there is to it. Our UV bulb is ready to go. Keep in mind, this is the same with our 2 tons, our 3 tons, 4 tons, and 5 tons. It's all the same concept. That's how you install it on any of our units. And we'll turn our UV on.
Are you ready?
Anytime, Sam. And now you are protected from airborne molds and spores.